Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. At the moment, my daughter is having to choose the subjects that she's going to study at school for the next 2 years, as she starts to get ready for the GCSEs she'll have to take when she's 16. And one thing she's made very clear to me is that she has absolutely no intention at all of studying computer programming or computer science. I tried the other day to play devil's advocate and suggest that maybe if she learned a bit more about it, if she had a different teacher, if she got into it a little bit more, she might start to enjoy it. She might grow to like the subject. She looked at me like I was mad and said, "Yeah, right, and pigs might fly." We often say, "Yeah, right, and pigs might fly," when we want to say that we don't think something will happen, that we think a prediction someone has made is basically impossible. So, for example, when ultra-optimistic England supporters suggest to me that England could well win the next World Cup, I tend to be a bit more pessimistic and respond by saying, "Yeah, right, and pigs might fly." At the moment, there's some talk of Boris Johnson trying to launch a bit of a comeback and make a bid to become leader of the government yet again. And a friend of mine was talking about this the other day and said, "Hey, Johnson might not attempt a comeback. That might not be what he decides to do at the moment." "Yeah, right, and pigs might fly. Of course he's going to do it. What kind of naive idiot are you?" And maybe if you're having some building work done on your house and it's taking much longer than anticipated, and the builders reassure you that everything will be done by the end of next month, you might cynically, under your breath, mutter, "Right, and pigs might fly." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of when you think you might use "and pigs might fly."